Welcome to EastBridgeUniversity's online BCA and MCA programmes. Our Bachelor of Computer Applications and Master of Computer Applications programmes are offered in academic collaboration with a UGC-recognised NAAC A++ graded Indian university. With a dual degree pathway, EastBridgeUniversity's Bachelor and Master of Computer Applications programmes equip students with the high demand knowledge and skill sets that are required to seamlessly navigate today's complex digital and IT world. Bachelor of Computer Applications. The online BCA programme is a 3-year journey into the world of technology, preparing students with a strong foundation in coding, problem solving and today's most in-demand technologies, including artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data and app development. Whether you're just starting out or want to future-proof your skills, it's designed to give you a real edge. The Bachelor of Computer Applications provides hands-on experience with Python, Java, cloud computing and future-ready knowledge of NLP, deep learning and artificial intelligence, enabling students to enter the IT field with confidence. Master of Computer Applications. The MCA programme takes it further, a 2-year master's degree packed with specialisations like cybersecurity, mean stack development, IoT and data visualisation. It's perfect for IT professionals or career changers looking to upskill and thrive in the digital economy. With an advanced curriculum in AI, ML, security and project management, and in-depth knowledge in IT infrastructure management, software testing, operating systems and database technology. The programme equips candidates to seamlessly navigate the IT industry. After the successful completion of our BCA and MCA programmes, students receive 2 degrees, one from EastBridgeUniversity and another from our partnered Indian university. Our partner institution is recognised by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, Government of India. The degree received at the end of the programme is UGC and AITCE approved, providing a strong credential for our students. At EastBridgeUniversity, our programmes offer a perfect combination of academic excellence with practical exposure, enabling students to seamlessly navigate the dynamic and ever-changing digital landscape. Our completely online Bachelor and Master programmes in computer applications are designed in a flexible format that enables students to pursue their academic journey from anywhere in the world and at their own pace. So whether you're just starting your journey in tech or ready to move into strategic senior level roles, EastBridgeUniversity's BCA and MCA programmes help you get there with confidence. Build with confidence and lead with innovation. Apply now to the BCA and MCA programmes at EastBridgeUniversity.